Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Xplora application. Also, you will need to have the active SIM card inserted into your watch for this option to work. Okay, once you have the SIM card in the watch and the watch is paired with your phone, you can open the Xplora application on your phone that is paired with your watch, and once you open the app you should see the devices page, and on this page you should see your watch. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the option called Remove Watch. If you tap on it, you will see that basically by removing the watch we will perform the factory reset on the watch. So tap on the factory reset button to confirm and wait. The watch will be removed from the app, and also it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings after a second or two. Basically we need to wait until it starts the resetting process. We have it, as you can see, it's resetting now, so let's wait until it's done. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.